up, bugs? Welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with UNice and they sent over this beautiful 13x4 HD lace wig. She's a pre-everything bye-bye knots wig. She's a gorgeous pre-styled wig and she came with this gorgeous fringe bang detail. She also has a drawstring. They did include the wig tape at the ears, so you're gonna see me bond that down as well. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial on how I installed this one. 100% glueless, super simple, easy, and beginner friendly. We're gonna play with the pre-styled bang. They did come with this cute little roller and we didn't have to cut or trim anything at all. I went for a nice, sexy, like simple, effortless, you know, out the way bombshell look. But if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. So as I mentioned, today I did team up with UNice and I was super excited to receive this package because they added a little splash to the shipping and handling. Now, this one did come in a box within a box within a box, if that makes any sense. So it came in the regular standard packaging. I believe it was FedEx, and then inside the packaging was this box. And I was like, wow, that is so bougie and fancy. And then the box inside, of course, is your wig box. So this is a really cute box. I mean, I almost feel like we should just keep it, right? Because I mean, you can peel off the tape and just use it for something. It's just so cute. And then of course, within that, we have our packaging, the regular box packaging. And as you guys can see, I've already been through this bad buddy because you guys already know I'm super excited. There is some goodies in here. I'll save that towards the end of the video. This one here is a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig in the length 24 inches, and this is our beauty here. Now I did say pre-everything, but it's also a pre-styled wig, and it also includes that beautiful wig tape that we already know and love. Look at the bounce on those curls, are absolutely gorgeous. 24 inches in length in a beautiful wavy texture. We got a bust down middle part going on in there, and I don't know if you can see it because I'm trying to be gentle. We have our bang here, which means we are going for more of like a fringe bang detail. When you flip the bang back, here is a close-up look of the real scalp technology. So when you flip her around, you can see that everything pre-cut lace, and then of course the knots are bleached or pre-bleached, and then the hairline is pre-plucked. You kind of cannot see that, the hairline at least for right now. So this here is going to give the lace and the parting a very natural scalp-like effect. And then to set it off, we do have the wig tape here, so we are good to go. Here is the nape. You'll see we have the larger comb in the back. We also have the adjustable straps back here, and then we also have the drawstring. So the drawstring has been like the 2025 hot topic. It definitely helps all wigs to fit like a glove. Not all wigs are created equal, but it's nice to have the drawstring because not all heads are created equal, and we all want to be able to get snatched and slayed and, you know, have the opportunity to purchase the same wig, especially for my girlies who have a really big head or a really small head. The drawstring is going to make it fit. And then smack dab in the center, we also have that adjustable and removable elastic band. Now I went ahead and attached everything except for the drawstring. Let's go ahead and put her on and get this process started. Okay, so far this is what she looks like on, and this is what she looks like from the back. So hopefully you guys can all see me, but I went ahead and clipped it up just so you guys can see. When you pull her up, this is what the wig will look like on me just in general. You may not be able to tell, but the wig does fit me a little bit looser because I do have the drawstring all the way stretched out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull on the drawstring, and then I'm going to take that stopper there and just chase the wig as tight as I want to get it, making sure my ears are untucked. And now I think I have it at the perfect tightness, and we have this much slack given. So now that we have it how we want, I'm going to go ahead and lift and tuck that in there. Feel free to use the comb to go ahead and, you know, help have a little bit of extra like support, if you will. And now we are bonded down from the nape. Okay, so this is what we look like. Hopefully we have it centered. I'm always like reluctant, like I want to wait till the very last minute to unroll the roller, but let's just go ahead and bite the bullet. Wow. So today we're going full on curtain bang. Now typically we do a bang and it's like, you know, up to here to where you kind of trim it, but this one is meant to be super nice and long. This was the roller that came in it. It's typically a little bit larger than the one that they have in their other fringe bang wig, so I really like this because it's more like curtain bang, I think, if that makes any sense. Before we play with it, when you flip it back, the hairline is super natural. Look at that. No glue, no gel, no spray. It's not even bonded down. So think like being able to pin it back in cute different little styles, and it'll fit like a dream. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, you barely even need any lace tint and you are good to go. So even wearing it like this when the wind flies back, it's gonna look really bomb, right? So the great thing about this one is no glue, no gel, no spray is needed. So let's just go ahead and pin it back, and we're gonna rely on the wig tape they provided just to give us a little extra oomph. And this here is the ear and the ear tab and the wig tape right here. So it's literally a easy peasy. So this here is the ear tabs, and there's obviously one on each side. When you pull it forward, it will go like in front of the ear like so. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of cut it because you guys can see it comes down pretty long on me. So essentially, if I were to keep it, it like will come all the way down like sideburns. I don't necessarily need that much, so I'm gonna just peel and stick really quickly. Now the wig hugs around the ear, absolutely perfect, and we can literally just from here peel off what's left like so. Sweep any hairs, any excess hair and flyaways and baby hairs and sideburns down, and then allow her to stick. While holding that down, I'm gonna go ahead and pull any like sideburns forward that I may want, and you kind of just work it in like so. And now we have it literally bonded down, and as I mentioned, the hairline is so flawless that you don't need to like add any glue, any gel, any spray. And then from here we kind of break that step on the opposite side. And now we are literally bonded down from ear to ear. A great thing to do right now while we're here and the hair is pulled back is to go ahead and tint the lace. These are the 4 that I have with me right now as far as the lace tints go. We can go powder and we can go cream. I like cream more lately, and I just feel like it's a little bit less messy as well as far as the fallout. So I'm gonna go 16. No, this is 15 in the cream foundation, and I'm gonna hit this in the parting. And then I'm gonna hit you with that nice 16 along the hairline. Now it's literally 100% perfect. 10 out of 10, I'd highly recommend. This is what it looks like before you even brush it out. It is definitely giving tons and tons of body. I wish I can literally just like brush this, smooth this exact thing out. But let's just see what we are working with. Okay, it's giving straight out of the box. It's giving sexy and sassy. So the one thing I did not bring in here was my electric hot comb. You guys know I can't even live without my dynamic duo, but let's just see how far we can get without it. I mean, I have this and I have the wax. I love the sexy, like bouncy, like frivolous look, but I'm just so used to doing the dynamic duo that I just feel like I'm missing a step, or maybe like it's unfinished if I don't go ahead and slay. So I'm adding a little bit, or maybe even a lot of my wax. Okay, so I'm going to take a brush and just kind of smooth it down. Ooh, look at how flat and smooth we got that. Look at this side, and then look at the opposite side over here. Definitely made a difference, right? Okay, so this is what it looks like when you add a little heat to the top. Literally, that's all you need. And there's a quick fluff out. This is the looks, babes. I wanted to go ahead and give like blowout vibes. I didn't want the curl to be too tight up here, but still give, you know, the vibe. I think I did an awesome job. Let me know what you guys think. Kind of pull the one shoulder off like that and give like the sexy influencer effortless vibe. I love this one. Now, of course, you can go in and do a tighter curl if that's your jazz or what? Your jam. I like it exactly like this. It gives an effortless, sexy vibe. We get to like lift the hair a little bit along the hairline to show off that beautiful, gorgeous, flawless hairline while it's still being, let me see if I can show you, 100% glueless. I am currently fasting, so if I am stumbling over my words, I apologize, because what is like 36 hours no food? Crazy, right? We'll get more details on that in a few, but for now, this is the look. I absolutely love it. I think she is 2T. And even I can show you, got this cute little clip, and she's from H&M, and she was like $4.99, $3.99, $3.99. And she's just a cute little fun summer color. You guys can see the front detail and how we have that gorgeous bang. Flip her up. You flip her up and let the fringe see through. And this here is an absolute vibe. Super simple, easy to achieve, very easy to maintain. And the curls are like the icing on the cake. And you have like your little influencer look. Also, excuse the gum. I've been chewing on this gum and there's no taste to it. But again, that's the closest thing I've had to food all day. So delirious. But this is the look, love bugs. I hope you love it. And then when you get ready to do whatever you're going to do, kind of just shake it out. She is absolutely stunner. We are officially in spring. I think I haven't filmed anything since we've been in spring. I've just been so swamped with life, and I'm happy that this is the first one. This is definitely going to go with all of the spring vibes in my closet, the little sundresses, the shorts, all of the above. And yeah, I love her. Let me know what you guys think of her down below. Before we head out, I will show you guys the goodies that were included in my package. This one here is from UNice. As always, they have this beautiful like purple fuchsia magenta color packaging, and then the theme is so fire. Inside we do have additional strips of that wig tape. You guys see me apply this in this video, and these are some extra strips, so every time yours gets a little bit dulled out, or maybe even when you like wash and condition your hair, you'll be able to reapply this fresh, and you have quite a bit to last you a while. Beneath that, we do have a pack of HD wig caps. These are the UNice HD wig caps, so you can find these exclusively on the UNice website. Next off, we do have a baby hairbrush. And this is the new and improved. If you've been following me for a while, then you may know that this may not be new, but it's new, if that makes any sense. And so this has been around for a couple of weeks, couple of months. And I love this one because it comes with that rat tail, which is essential for parting. And then it also has that extra brush head, because you guys already know how nasty and crazy your baby hair brushes get easily. From here, we also have a wig band. This one here is a nice thin one, and it does have the UNice on it. Super cute. And then next off, we do have a dust bag, and it matches with that beautiful purpley pink magenta color. Fuchsia, magenta, which one are we talking? And I thought we were done, but we actually have a little bit of a key piece here. So this here they included in the package, and it is pretty much an example of the lace that we are rocking today. This one here is HD lace, and then this one here is transparent lace. Even just holding it up like so against the white wall behind me, I feel like this one I can see the label, but I cannot see the lace. This one here, I can see how yellowed out it is, and when you bring them closer, obviously you can see it, but you can even see here the huge difference. This is the transparent lace. I mean, it's cool or whatever. And then this here is the HD lace. This is HD, and as you guys can see, it's very nice and perfect and skin-like. This one here has like a cast or film over it, so you can definitely see the difference between the two. Nice and HD is what we love the most. And that is pretty much it, love bugs. I love this one here. This is going to be that super simple, easy to wear, easy to slay, day-to-day, everyday wig that you can literally wear Monday through Friday as a mom, pop out on a Friday or Saturday night and add your little curls and your bombshell splash, and definitely steal the show. I'll have a direct link and all of the details to this one in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.